Hi YouTube. So, are these buttons not working on your Android phone? Well, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So you're going to go to the Android Market or Play Store and type in Smart Taskbar. And download the Smart Taskbar. And then once that's downloaded, press open, and then when you have it opened, it's going to look like this. This is the Smart Taskbar. So you basically could go home, back, refresh the page. Anything that these buttons can do are all right there. So if I want to go home, I'm going to press home, and now it brought me home. So there's your solution to the problem. These buttons don't work because the cable on the inside of the phone, the ribbon cable, either got broken, got water damaged. So yeah, please leave a comment below, subscribe if you like this video. Thanks, bye.